I've got an 89 560 SEL, originally North Korea delivery. Very pretty metallic red, on red, with the TV, cell phone mount, etc. Don't mind that unit, not my doing there. Not exactly an AMG car, but an actual AMG cluster, period, right, proper, and all that good stuff. It was came to us through an importer in the Midwest, and a client came to an agreement as far as price. Unfortunately, condition left some things to be desired as far as mechanicals. Needed to do a thorough refurbishment of many aspects. Fuel system in its entirety, air conditioning, most everything but the compressor, suspension, timing chain, tensioner, intake, full exhaust, at least some downpipes back, and wheels, tires, shocks, accumulators, all fluids, filters, of course, on and on. Again, very thorough, but came together in spectacular fashion and really does work quite nicely. These cars with 300 horse, tri-wise cams, EZL, fuel distributor, compression, everything does make for such a nice setup relative to the USers. You wouldn't think 70 horsepower would make or break it, but that and the torque under the curve and the presentation of the power, all comes together to really make it such an enjoyable experience. So really enjoyed bringing this one back, and now she's going to a proper home where care will be regular, as will exercise, and should keep things really on point. So another one back from silliness. So yes indeed. Let's get out here. Works good. Works well, rather. So yeah, a few little modern touches. Auto dimming mirror, which is nice, just especially in and around Atlanta. That will go away. So I generally do not like them, but that's round two. Fresh ceramic tints all around. I think we might try and get an HD antenna for that TV, because it does actually power up. Let's see if we can grab some stations and rock it out. So I'll have a video of the outside of this here momentarily, show off how pretty she is.